Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Apple Pay to your Wix Studio website using the Accept Payments dashboard so you can provide a modern, secure checkout experience for your customers in 2026. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the Wix Studio settings. The first step is moving from your visual design canvas into the administrative back end of your site. In 2026, Wix Studio has centralized all business operations, including taxes, shipping, and payments, under a unified settings hub. From your Wix Studio homepage dashboard, look at the left sidebar. Scroll down toward the bottom of the list until you see the Settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Click on Settings to expand the Site Management menu. This is the administrative phase. Because Apple Pay involves sensitive financial data and legal agreements, you cannot set it up through the visual editor. By entering the Settings menu, you are accessing the site brain, where you can manage the global rules for how your business collects money. Next, access the Accept Payments menu. Once you are inside the Settings panel, you need to find the specific area dedicated to your payment provider and digital wallets. Within the settings list, locate and click on the option labeled Accept Payments. This will open the Payment Provider dashboard, showing you all the ways your customers can currently pay you, like credit cards, PayPal, or manual payments. This is the gateway phase. In 2026, Wix uses this dashboard to bridge your website with global banking systems. By clicking Accept Payments, you are telling the Wix server that you want to manage the handshake between your checkout button and a customer's bank account. Next, connect a supported payment provider. Apple Pay doesn't work by itself. It requires a primary credit card processor to handle the actual movement of funds. Look for Credit Card or Google Pay in the list. If you're not connected yet, click the blue Connect button and follow the prompts to verify your business. Ensure your account status is active or connected. This is the verification phase. Apple Pay is a digital wallet, meaning it safely stores a customer's card info. However, it still needs a processor like Wix Payments to authorize the transaction. In 2026, these providers are pre-configured to handle Apple's biometric security protocols, so you don't have to deal with any complex coding. And that's pretty much it. To add Apple Pay in 2026, scroll down to Settings in the left sidebar of your dashboard and click Accept Payments. Connect an active provider like Wix Payments, toggle Apple Pay to On within the digital wallet settings, and then publish your site from the editor. Always verify the button on an iPhone to ensure your customers have the fastest checkout experience possible. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.